Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is September 20th, 2016. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see that the futures are popping higher today. They're trading up by about 6 3/4 points to 21.39 3/4 per contract. Futures catching a bit of a bid this morning, and we'll see how this market plays out today. Remember, tomorrow is the all-important FOMC meeting. Today is the start of the meeting. Tomorrow the meeting will conclude, and we'll see what the Federal Reserve has to say about interest rate policy in the United States. Right now, the odds have shifted dramatically that the Fed will do nothing. So again, today is going to be one of those days where I think the market is more or less on pause until the Fed announcement, but we'll see how it plays out. In the meantime, we have some stocks in the news. First one we're going to talk about is Lennar Corp. LEN is a major home builder. Stock reported earnings, company reported earnings, I should say. Stock is selling off a little bit from its close. It closed at $45.09, now trading at $45.25. All in all, I do think there's a little bit of support down here around $44. There's also more at $38.50. So again, those are the two levels I will be watching for on Lennar right off the bat, but we will be keeping this stock on our radar once the opening bell rings. Next one I want to take a look at here is ASNA, which is Ascena. And you're going to see this company also reported earnings. Stock closed at $8.12, now trading at $6.21. This is an ugly, ugly sell-off. The low, I believe, in Ascena from, I believe, June was $6.43. So we are below that level now, and traders should be a little bit concerned. There's no reason to really own this stock at this point. So again, I would just let it fall, wait for a reversal, then traders can look at it again, but there's really not much to do here. There's some other names in the news. ECA, which is Encana, looks like they did a share offering. Stock closed at $9.86, now trading at $9.19. Chesapeake Energy is in the news today. Stock closed at $6.81, now trading at $6.63. It looks like Carl Icahn cut his stake in the company. Still owns shares, but he did cut his stake in the company. Let's take a look at SeaWorld, SEAS, which is ticker symbol SEAS, and this stock is trading a little bit lower. Closed at $12.69, now trading at $11.85. It looks like they cut their dividend. So SeaWorld, I believe, cut their dividend. Stock is getting hit today. We'll see how low it goes. We'll keep this one on the radar once the opening bell rings today. Sears Holdings in the news today. It looks like they are closing 64 KMART stores. Stock closed at $11.77. It's basically right at that level now. We'll see how it plays out today. This is just a stock that is very, very ugly. Believe it or not, closing of the stores could cause the stock to rise. So again, we'll keep that on the radar once the opening bell rings. Wells Fargo, you know that they've come under some serious pressure lately. The stock right now, though, was upgraded today, and today they are appearing in front of the Senate Banking Committee. So again, Wells Fargo on the hot seat, but very, very often when a company kind of puts all of this stuff behind it, gets its hearing in Congress, usually that's when the stock will get a bounce. So again, oversold condition. Stock closed at $46.01, now trading at $46.59. So kind of sell the rumor, buy the news, and that's the way this one's working out. All right, let's take a look at General Motors. It looks like they were downgraded today. Again, stock is trading up a little bit, so no big deal there. And then you have a takeover today, DSSI. That was taken over, I believe, by Tessera. So again, for $42.50 a share. So if you own DSSI, congratulations. If you do not own it, there's really nothing to do here. Leave it alone. But if you own it, take your money off the table or trail your stop. Choice is yours how you want to play it. Let's take a look at General Mills. This was downgraded today. GIS is a ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $64.91, closed at $65.21. So a little downtick there. Again, I'm not sure I see much for General Mills at the moment, but we will be looking at this once the opening bell rings. We had some good trades yesterday, a couple winners in the chat room yesterday, nice ones too. And again, The market just continues to wait for the FOMC announcement. Once that announcement is made tomorrow afternoon, we should see fireworks again in this market. So it's going to be a good trading market. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Go to crude oil. Crude oil is trading lower by 55 cents to $43.31 a barrel. Take a look at the all-important USO. You'll see that trading at $9.88. That is down from the close yesterday, which was $9.98. Next up, we have gold. Gold is trading lower by 60 cents, so no big movement there. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that GLD is trading right at 125.40. That's basically right where it closed yesterday. It closed at 125.30. So again, we'll see how this all plays out today. We'll see what comes out of the Fed tomorrow, and we'll see what this market gives us. And again, we're having a great 2016. If you want to come along and trade with us, come on, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing there. And again, we're having a sensational 2016. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great session, and we will see you on the charts.